In other news, authorities clarified that the suspect in a recent brutal murder case is a Chinese national and not Taiwanese, as earlier reported. Investigations revealed that the suspect used a forged Taiwanese passport and could not provide a legitimate Taiwan national ID. Officials say the incident stemmed from a drinking session and a dispute over debt, leading to the victim's stabbing and the suspect's attempt to dispose of the body. The suspect is now facing murder charges, and authorities continue to verify details about the passport and the crime.
Inaalam po namin yan kung bakit after niyang saksakin kasi nung nasaksak niya, napatay po niya yung ating victim. So, hindi po natin ngayon matanong sa kanya kung bakit kailangan pa niyang chop-chopin since nasaksak na niya yung ating suspect at yung ating victim since napatay na niya nung nasaksak niya. So, yun po yung isa pa nating inaalam bakit kailangan pa po niyang i-chop-chop at ipa-dispose po sa ganoong paraan.